Sai Ram. Now we are finished with our maths portion. Okay, exams are nearing. Have you all started practicing maths at home, children? Do practice nicely. Okay, today teacher is going to take some practice. That is, I'm going to take revision of maths. Shall we start, kids? Okay, ready? Yeah. First question is, choose the correct alternative and tick the correct answer. You're going to three answers will be given, children. For each question, you're going to select the answer and tick it. Okay. So the first one is 356. 356. Options are 365, 300, 356. I'm repeating, 365, 300, 356. 356. Let's see. Yes, it's 356. That is 356. Next, 492. 492. 942. 492. 429. Options are 942, 492, 429. 492. A, B, C. 492. Let's see. Yes, it's 492. 492. Next see. Number 3. If we subtract 2 from 9, how many are left? If we subtract 2 from 9, how many are left? Children, take 9 in your finger. Remove 2. Remove 2 from that 9 finger. 9. Remove 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7. Let's see. Yes. If we subtract 2 from 9, how many are left? 7. How many are left? 7. Now, number 4. If we subtract 3 from 6, how many are left? If we subtract 3 from 6, how many are left? Options A 3, B 6 and C 9. So let's see. Let's start. Take 6 in your finger. Subtract 3. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 3. Let's see. Yes. So, if we subtract 3 from 6, how many are left? 3. How many are left? Very good. 3. Next one. If we subtract 5 from 8. If we subtract 5 from 8, how many are left? Options 4, 3. Now what you will do? Take 8 on your finger, children. And how many you will remove? 5. Very good. So remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 3. Let's see. Yes. So, if we subtract 5 from 8, How many are left? 3. How many are left? Very good. Next. The expanded form of 72. The expanded form of 72. Options: 70 plus 2, 7 tens plus 2, 70 plus 20. Options are 70 plus 2, 70 plus 2, 70 plus 20. What is the expanded form of 72? 70 plus 2. Let's see. Yes. So the expanded form, repeat, the expanded form of 72 is 70 plus 2. Next one. By how many is 10 more than 7? By how many is 10 more than 7? Options: 4, 3, 5. Now, to see how many is more, what you will do? You will subtract. So, the bigger number take on your finger. Which you will take, children? What number you are going to take on your fingers? How many fingers you are going to take? 10. And how many you will remove? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? 3. How many? 3. So 10 is more than 7 by 3. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Next one. By how many is 8 more than 3? By how many is 8 more than 3? Options: 3, 5. 3, 5. Now here how many fingers you are going to take? 8. That's very good. And how many you are going to remove? 3. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is the answer? 5. So, by how many is 8 more than 3 by how many numbers? 5. Let's see. That's very good. Next. State whether the following statements are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. You are going to see whether the statement is correct or wrong. That is true or false. The first one is Republic Day. Republic Day comes in the month of August. Republic Day comes in the month of August. True, false. When do Republic Day come? In which month, children? We have learned in months of the year. Republic Day. January. Republic Day comes in January month. 26th January is Republic Day. But what is given here? They are telling you Republic Day comes in the month of August. So, the statement is true or false? False. Let's see. Very good. False. So, Republic Day comes in the month of Jan. That is 26th Jan. Now, Christmas comes in the month of December. Christmas comes in the month of December. True, false? That you know. True. Let's see. Very good. True. Next. The place value, listen properly and carefully, kids. The place value of 8. The place value of 8 in 86. The place value of 8 in 86 is 8. True, false. Children, 86, the number 86, in number 86, what is the place value of 8? Which place it is? Tens or units? Tens, very good. So when 8 comes in tens place, what will be the number? 8 or 80? 80, that's very good. So what statement they have asked you? The place value of 8 in 86 is 8. They are saying in 8 is in tens place, so the answer will be 8. So it's true or false? False. Very good. That's it. Good. Now the expanded form of 94 is 90 plus 4. The expanded form of 94 is 90 plus 4. True, false? True. Let's see. True. Very good. Next one. If 0 is added to any number, we get the same number. Listen carefully. If 0 is added to any number, we get the same number. Teacher explained to you all, whether you subtract or add any number by 0, you'll get the same number. So it's true or false? True. Very good. Next. 4 8s is 33. 4 8s equal to 33. True, false? What is 4 8s, kids? 32. So answer is true or false? False. Let's see. Yes. The next one. The month that comes after January is February. The month that comes after January is February. After January, which month comes, children? January, February. So it's true or false? True. Let's see. Very good. Now, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So it's true or false? Think. True. Let's see. Good. Very good. So when you change the number, you change any number, you'll get the same answer. Okay. Now next. Match the following by ticking the correct options. Okay. 3 options will be given, children. You are going to tick the correct option. You are going to match the correct option. 3 6 3 6 20 24 18 20 24 18 3 6 18. Let's see. That's very good. 476. 476. 467. 476. 647. 476. 4, 7, 6. Let's see. Yes, good. The season that comes after summer. The season that comes after summer. Winter, rainy, autumn. Winter, rainy, autumn. After summer. Rainy. Let's see. Very good. Now, number 4. The third month of Indian month is Vaishak, Jesht, Ashad. Vaishak, Jesht, Ashad. It's Jesht. Children, learn nicely the Indian month and the Gregorian month. Okay. Indian year and the Gregorian year. Okay. Now, next. The number of days in February are, the number of days in February are 28 or 29, 30, 31. The number of days in February are 28 or 29, 30, 31. 28 or 29. Let's see. That's very good. Repeat. The number of days in February are 28 or 29. Now, number 5. The 7th month of the Indian year is, the 7th month of the Indian year is Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik. Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik. Ashwin. Let's see. Yes, repeat. The 7th month of the Indian year is Ashwin. The 7th month of the Indian year is Ashwin. Now, next one, children. 3 5s are 18, 25, 15. 18, 25, 15. 3 5s are, children. 15. Correct. Now, 7th one. The expanded form of 28 is, the expanded form of 28 is 2 plus 8, 2 tens plus 8 units, or 20 plus 8. 2 plus 8, 2 tens plus 8 units, 20 plus 8. The expanded form of 28 is 20 plus 8. Let's see. That's very good. Children, you have understood. Okay. Now, do one thing, children. This much you all practice in your book. This all things, whatever sums I have finished, you are going to write in your book and you all are going to practice. Okay, kids? Bye. See you.